You too. Y'all already know, man. It's your boy Just Over the Road, man. And today we're not gonna waste any time. I am going to teach you how to pass your in-cabinet inspection. You ready? Let's go. And before we start, support me by hitting the subscribe button and like. Alrighty, let's get it. We're not gonna waste any time. But anyways, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna hop in the truck. Instructor gonna come in with you. He's gonna be sitting at the passenger seat. Obviously, you're not gonna see it because my camera's right there recording. So let's get it. This is the first thing you do. He's gonna tell you whenever you're ready, you could start. Let's just say I'm you. I'm gonna start. Boom. You're gonna have to lock in, because if you don't lock in, you're gonna miss a lot of things. But this is how I would do. So just watch what I say, and if you use the stuff that I'm telling you, you gonna pass your CDL test. I guarantee. Your in-cabinet at least. The in-cabinet. Let's get it. My windshield and my mirrors, they're properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. And there's no obstructions. And my mirrors, they're adjusted to me. And there is no illegal stickers except the inspection one. My electrical fuse, they're inside my glove compartment. My city horn, my air horn. My fire extinguisher, it is properly mounted, secure behind my seat, and it's fully loaded. My 3 reflective triangles, they're under my bunk. And then turn on your heater defroster. And say like this: my heater defroster, it is properly working. And make sure you show this hand side that is blowing by the windshield and under your legs, that they're all working. And after you finish with that, you're gonna say, my windshield blades, they're properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. And my blades, they're properly mounted, secured, and there's no sign of dry rot. And that, I get it. I might have said some things out of the order. I should have started with the blades, with the windshield. But it doesn't, it don't matter if you put it in. But let me show you the way you need to do it to make it easy for yourself without explaining everything. Just one shot without explaining everything. Let's go. Listen to it. This is the one for you. This is the one for you. Let's get it. My windshield and my mirrors, they're properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. And there's no illegal obstructions. And my mirrors, they're properly adjusted to me. My windshield blades, they're properly mounted, secured, not cracked, bent, or broken. And my blades shows no signs of dry rot. You're done with that section. My spare electrical fuse, they're inside my glove compartment. My city horn, my air horn, my fire extinguisher, it is properly mounted, secure behind my seat, and is fully loaded. My 3 reflective triangles, they're under my bunk. They're usually there because you can only access them when you go outside through your little compartment by the door. At least for me, because I got a Freightliner. That's what it is. And you're going to say, my heater defroster, you're going to have to adjust it. It's properly it is properly working. And make sure you show the hand sign, that they're all blowing up and your windshield. And when you finish with that, you're going to tell him this: that should conclude my in-cabinet inspection. And he's going to tell you, are you sure? And you can say yes. But usually when he says, are you sure? It could be 2 things. You have missed some stuff. And try to do the test all over again. Or if you're really confident in yourself that you got everything, then be like, yes. And then he should say, we can move on to the next step of the test. Now you're going to take him outside and do the other things. The other things are the engine compartment, your lights, trailer inspection, your tandems. But I can make a video on all that if you wanted to. Comment down anything that you want me to just make a video about the inspection, and I'll make it. Anyways, it's your boy Just Over the Road, and I'm out.